Well guys, it's bound to happen, but we ran into one of our first problems with the electric truck, and that has to do with the coolant system. Number one, for the coolant for the rad. Now this is the original rad from 1962. We flushed it, but we don't think that's quite enough to keep it cool, so we'll recore that rad and that should solve the generator issues. The other issue is on the batteries. After we drive this truck for a few hours, those battery temperatures are getting up to the point where I'm a little bit uncomfortable with them, so I've got to find an additional way to put some more coolant in there. The system we got on there now would be fine for an electric car, but we're pulling a lot more weight. And what's happening is that means it's discharging a lot more in a shorter time to get that more mass moving, which means we need a little bit more additional coolant. And remember, we're also charging with the generator, so that's creating additional heat too. But hey, what we're gonna do is put in an additional radiator that's larger, and I'm gonna stick it right in there behind that headache rack. And I mean, figuring out things like this is all part of building a prototype. Of course, I'm gonna share those problems with you and the solutions with you so we can all learn together as we build this thing. What's the point of building the prototype if we don't find out problems and solutions?